Hi everyone. So, like I said before, I'm doing a short video painting the fuel cell for my car. So that's the 3D printed fuel cell that's 3D printed in red. I start by repainting it with the red that actually will match the other reds in my car with a just Tamiya spray paint, and I'm starting. It's a quick rough paint, so it's not like a model quality paint. It's just to have the 3D print look, more scale when it's on the truck, and all the little bits will just pop up from the print that wouldn't pop that much if they were just left with the one color print. So I print with the next one, black Tamiya paint, the top of the fuel cell, which is going to be the filler and the rubber mounts that's around the filler. I paint in black first the two fuel outlets and inlets that are at the bottom. Later on, I'll paint with the gray on top of it, but the black just gives it a little bit more depth. And then I paint the straps that are around the fuel cell, which would be kind of a metal strap, but they would have been like powder coated in black. And so I first paint it in black, and later on I'll do some like silver scratching with the Citadel paint, the silver Citadel paint that's the bottom. So those are all just model paint, acrylic. They dry quickly. I'm using just a simple brush. It's like you don't need anything to do that. And it takes, I mean, the video is speed up to twice the speed, but I'm painting two models there, and it takes overall 10 minutes, and I'm just, taking my time. I'm not an amazing painter whatsoever. So I'm just, painting the black straps, just painting the sides as well. So you have like all the shapes will just pop up a lot more. You can see in the background, I'm starting to paint my Moto Compo prototype as well. And I have a new bumper for the rear that I've already painted. And so now I'm just doing the finishing touches on the black. And I think, it's fine to keep the print just as it is out of the box. It works. This, especially this fuel cell, is a functional item. It's a receiver box, so it doesn't really need to be painted at all. It's on top of that, underneath the body of the car, so nobody will ever see it except myself when I work on the car. And this box is really good because it actually, the cables, all the cables to the receiver can go through. That's my Citadel paint, just a chainmail, gray. Any acrylic paint will do. So I was saying, the fuel cell is really great because it's really splash proof, and my receivers not being waterproof, that's really helpful when I go through, dirty puddles. So you see just a little bit of silver paint on all those elements, the little bolts that are sticking out, and now I'm doing the scratch work, just making it look roughed. And then I'm gonna move on to the fire extinguisher. And so then you're gonna see that's a really, really quick work on that, because I'm just doing silver for the top, for the, I don't know what it's called, the handle, and wherever the spray comes out from. And so the main thing that I like doing is washes. So I do a quick rough paint like that, but then you'll see I use like a mud color, like a brownish sepia wash, and those paints are amazing. They have them for many different brands, as the Citadel. Tamiya has washes as well. And so that's just a quick dirty job that you do on top of everything, and that will just go inside all the little detail that will really enhance all the little holes and crevices that you have. It would look weathered very, very quickly and without requiring any talent at all. So I use that, you can see as well on the body of the car, on the Sumo body. All the dirt is made with two different washes. So that's the final product. Fuel cell, weathered. I think it looks pretty good. And that's it. I'll do a quick video, I think, on the Moto Compo. Just same quick painting video so you guys can see what I did on that. And so that's it for now. See you next time.